Hey guys, it's Ariana Rubisca. If you're new here, welcome! I talk all about stocks, real estate, and just entrepreneurship in general. In today's video, I will be giving you guys a dropshipping update. Before I get into it though, let me go ahead and promote all my socials. You can also check out my website down below, where I offer a bunch of services to help you with your stocks, with your crypto, with your website, with your social media. That's it for the intro though, let's get started. First thing I did was order my product. I'm like super happy with my product because it's super easy to use and it ships really fast. It actually got here in 1 week and I have so much freaking fun filming my TikToks. What I had in mind before picking my product was something that I wasn't gonna get tired from promoting and that I genuinely enjoyed using. When you actually like your product, you put so much more passion and effort into your work. So I made sure I had a product like that. I don't really care if the product was like a popular dropshipping product, but I just really wanted it to be easy to advertise and fun to use and have like a cute story behind it. I went to Santa Cruz for a soccer tournament back in 2019. My family and I went to downtown Santa Cruz and we came across a rolled ice cream shop. So that was my first time trying rolled ice cream and I thought it was so cool. The only thing though was that it was super expensive. So when I got the opportunity to partner up with Depop, I took the chance to solve that exact problem. Now I can make my own rolled ice cream at home at any time with whatever ingredients I'd like. So yeah, my product is badass. From there, I decided to do a marketing plan. My plan is to use Snapchat ads, TikTok ads, Pinterest posts, and probably Pinterest ads, I'm not sure, and then just like regular TikTok posts. I will also be using influencer marketing. I tried contacting random people from TikTok to like help me promote it, but they just weren't down for it. And since I have TikTok connections thanks to you guys, I decided to just ask people I knew to help me out. So yeah, definitely expect to get rejected by a bunch of stupid TikTok influencers even though you're offering them money. To be honest, just ask your famous TikTok friends, try to connect their niche to your brand. That reason right there was why I procrastinated so much on my dropshipping brand, because I was depending for a whole ass month on that exact marketing plan, which is to use influencers for marketing. I'm so glad I stopped thinking that way and just took matters into my own hands. So 1 week ago, I started posting on TikTok. I made my own separate account for my dropshipping store only. All I did was post videos on how to make rolled ice cream using my product, and I've gotten really great attention. Here are my analytics. Yeah. The day I made my TikTok account for my dropshipping store, I tried to publish a TikTok ad in the TikTok ads manager, page. In the process of it getting reviewed, my entire TikTok ads account got banned. So I submitted an appeal and TikTok restored my account 4 days later. And then that day that they restored it, I forgot that I still had my ad running because I guess they don't cancel it even though your account got banned. And I spent like $50 on it, or wasted $50 on it. Let me go over real quick like what I used to run my TikTok ad, like the settings I use, I guess. Your main goal with making a TikTok ad is you want to make sure that your audience size is pretty balanced. Create a new campaign and you're just gonna choose like the easy version of it. I know there's like 2 versions. There's like an advanced and then like an easy one. Just choose the easy one. I don't know, that's what people told me to do, people on YouTube. So yeah, I did that. I named my ad group, and then I also created a TikTok pixel. You basically just make your pixel by adding Shopify to your TikTok ads manager thing. Super easy. You just gotta add your Shopify, and then it'll ask you when you're actually creating the ad, it'll ask you for optimization event, and I just put complete payment. Placement and targeting, I just did it for TikTok. And then it goes into audience actions. So what I did was disable video downloads and enable video comments, which in the future, if I do continue to run ads, I think I'm just gonna disable the comments. I don't really think it matters, especially if you're a dropshipping store. Some people can get so weird, like even with regular ads, people are so brutal. And then for location, I just did United States. I've also heard if you're gonna do multiple locations, to do like individual campaigns for each one. For demographics, I didn't put anything for the gender. You know, we're targeting all genders. For the ages, I just put 18 to 44 years old, which I think next time that I run ads, I'm gonna be a little more specific with that. I'm probably just gonna use like 2 age groups. Oh my gosh, my dog is barking. And then for languages, there is no limit to that. For interest, what I did was people interested in appliances related to food and beverage. I'm not even sure if that's the right ad group. Like for behavior, I put food and drink. So people that come across my ad usually have a TikTok For You page full of food and drinks. And then I'm gonna put that those people, so the video related actions that those people take with that type of content is they comment and share it, because in TikTok, like I feel like that's the way that your video gets pushed out more to the For You page, through comments, through shares. I don't really think it's through likes. I think the main 3 are views, comments, and shares. And it doesn't really matter if you watch it till the end, just as long as you get views. I have no idea what category I selected. I don't know. And then the time period that these people have been, you know, looking at that specific content is 7 days. So the most recent time. For devices, I didn't put any specific preference. For my daily budget, I put $40 per day. Run continuously. My optimization goal is for conversion. I don't know what the frick that represents. I just pressed adopt. $77.53, and then I saw like a YouTube video saying that like it doesn't matter, put whatever it says, it changes once the ad is running. Like not even 5 minutes later, I got an email that said my freaking account has been suspended. Which was whatever, you know. I got pretty bummed out because I was so excited. Like I even posted on my Instagram story that I just, you know, got my first TikTok ad. I was so excited. And I got banned. But yeah, I submitted an appeal and got my account back 4 days later. What TikTok does now is if you post a video and you click the 3 dots at the very bottom, you can actually run like your own ad if you click promote with it. So yeah, I ended up doing that, but I only did that for like 1 hour, I think. Wait, let me check. Yeah, so the first 2 hours my video got 100 views. The first 3 hours my video got 200 views. This is the one I promoted using the promote feature. The first 4 hours my video got 400 views. The first 5 hours my video got 934 views, and then I posted 2 on the same day. One I promoted, the other one I didn't. So the one that I didn't promote, it actually got 2035 views within 5 hours, versus the one that I did promote, it only got 934 within 5 hours. So that was pretty bad. And then after 6 hours hit, I decided to just stop promoting that first one, because I don't know, I probably just sucked at the video, so I'm just not gonna. It was a voiceover video. I don't think I'm gonna use voiceovers. If I'm gonna run my next ad, I'm gonna keep it under 15. I'm gonna probably keep it under 7 to 15 seconds long. And that video, as of today, it is currently at 93,000 views. And I actually have another video that hit 391 views with no ads. After that day, I decided to not use TikTok ads and just grind on consistent TikTok posts. So I post 1 TikTok a day. I record them 1 day before, and here's the exact process I take before recording a TikTok. This info right here is gonna make you a millionaire. No, I'm playing, but it probably will. Honestly, I don't know. Time will tell, but I feel like it will. So first thing I do is I scroll through my For You page, and I just look for like cool sounds that I believe are popular right now. I don't know, just anything that catches my eye. I just click the sound. I check if the amount of videos posted on the sound are around under 10,000 to 200,000, which please do not just rely on the amount of videos. Another crucial step that you have to take to check if the most recent posts have gone viral or gotten like any sort of attention. The most recent posts have to be posted within hours ago, days ago, or 2 weeks ago at the most. Then from there you can go ahead and save the sound and then use it for your next TikTok. This right here is what I use for my videos. So I basically put my phone right here. It extends out so I can place my phone right here, and it's pretty secure. I attach it on the table. So as you can see here, it even has like cushiony so it doesn't damage the table. But you basically, you roll it up to the point where you want it, or roll it up to the point of how thick, or I don't know how big the table is, and you just insert it right here, and then you roll it until it's tight and it'll secure in place. And yeah, it's really great. I freaking love this tool, and I was really about to hire someone to record my TikToks. Like, man, if you can do it yourself, just do it yourself, you know, because some people, they don't have the same vision as me sometimes, and I don't really like that. It's really hard for me to hire people sometimes because, I don't know, I feel like they don't know, they're not as passionate about it as I am. Yeah, and I was about to pay them $200. Like, that's crazy. $200 for 5 hours. That's $40 every hour. Hell no. And then I go ahead and record the video and save it to drafts. The next day, I posted around 4:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. because, I don't know, those are the times that work for my page. For my actual page, like my stocks page, 1 p.m., 2 p.m., or even like 9 a.m. is the times that works for me. During the summer, people are waking up later in the day for some reason, so 9 a.m. doesn't work for me anymore. 1 p.m., 2 p.m. is good. Oh yeah, and then once I post my video, I make sure to reply to all comments, if not majority. Because, like I've said before in all my other videos, you gotta engage with your audience. They are actual people. If they have a question, that question not being answered may keep them from ever buying or supporting your page. Like, you guys gotta realize that people are important. They are very important. It's not about you. And I actually got my first order today on July 27th, which is really cool because I've been working hard. Like, I've been working really hard on my social media this past week. So yeah, it's nice to be rewarded. Even if it's just one order, bro, like, I'm so excited. My TikTok is also about to hit 1,000 followers. And so far within this week, I've had over 2,000 website visits or sessions, whatever, and it only goes up from here, bro. It only goes up. My biggest piece of advice though is be sure to always come back to reality and just be aware of what the hell you're doing. You're young, super young, watching my YouTube, being interested in entrepreneurship, taking action, staying passionate, staying on the grind. I promise you that it's only gonna go up from here. You are so young. Your 20s will shape the rest of your life. And I'm gonna say it again. Your 20s will shape the rest of your life. So if you invest your time and your effort into things that yield financial freedom, just know that 30-year-old you, 40-year-old you, 50-year-old you, etc. is going to have an amazing life. Enjoy the journey. Be patient. You will not receive crazy results in the start, but the point here is you're building skills and habits that will set you up for financial freedom in the future. For example, you don't learn to swim right away. You first learn to float, to move your legs, to move your arms, you know, a certain way, and all those elements combined will shape you to a great swimmer. Just remember, throughout your journey, please stay consistent and be patient. Enjoy it. You got a lot of time. Well, don't act like you have all the time in the world, therefore you don't have to work. But do act like you have all the time in the world to chase your passion. It's all about perspective. Thank you so much for watching though. If you're trying to have me help you with your social media, you know, get you results, or with your website, you know, my website is pretty cool. I don't know, I think my website is pretty cool, you know. Hit me up on Instagram or on email. I'd be happy to schedule a free call with you. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Have a blessed day. Bye.